Here's how to customize contact colors step by step. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. On iPhone, contact color comes from the contact's poster, photo, or initials background. You can easily change it. First, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Tap the contact you want to customize. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Tap Edit under the contact photo. Choose Contact Poster or Contact Photo. Select a new background color, gradient, or style. You can change font color and background color here. Tap Done to save the new contact color. If the contact has no photo, choose Initials and pick a different background color. Contact colors appear in Phone, Messages, and FaceTime. The contact may also see the poster if contact poster sharing is enabled. Use different colors to quickly recognize important contacts. And that's it. That's how you change contact color on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.